You're also from Spain. So you're from Tuvalu?
Nice to meet you.
His Excellency, the Ambassador of Japan, Mr. Masahiro Omura, award recipients of the Pacific Leaders Educational Assistance for Development of State Program, invited and distinguished guests, my fellow colleague ministers, invited and distinguished guests, the media partners, ladies and gentlemen, Nisambula Vinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. I think I'll just keep it short because the ambassador has said most of the things. Nevertheless, thank you very much for inviting me and giving me the opportunity to speak at this very special occasion on behalf of the government of Fiji. Indeed, it's a great honor for me to convey our sincerest appreciation to the government of Japan in awarding the master's scholarships to 2 Fijian students together with 18 others from the Pacific to pursue further education in Japan. On behalf of the Fijian government and our neighboring Pacific Island countries, we are deeply honored for this tremendous assistance which will greatly boost the capacity building not only for Fiji but our other Pacific nations as well. I have been informed that Ms. Laisa Matani from the Ministry of Waterways and Environment will be pursuing a Master's in Environmental Science at the University in Japan, and Ms. Andy Arrieta, our own from the Ministry of Health and Medical Services, will be pursuing a Master's of Arts in International Development. Congratulations to both of you. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2 officials who are part of the 3rd group of Pacific Leads recipients will join a total of 20 successful recipients from other regional countries such as the Cook Islands, Federated States of Micronesia, Marshall Islands, Nauru, Palau, Papua New Guinea, Samoa, Tonga, Tuvalu, and Vanuatu. The Pacific Lead Scholarship recipients will be pursuing studies in various fields ranging from education to health, environment, engineering, international relations, and business administration. The ambassador has already given a way of background as to how this program started. Nevertheless, please allow me to brief you once again. Just a way of background, I have been informed that the Pacific Leads program was initiated by the Japanese Prime Minister Honorable Shinzo Abe following the 7th Pacific Islands Leaders meeting in 2015. And this was basically a training program for our young Pacific leaders in the Pacific and launched by the government of Japan at the 7th Pacific Leaders meeting, Palm 7, in Japan on May 22nd to 23rd, 2015. The continuation of the Pacific Leads program was further mutually agreed upon by the leaders at the 8th Pacific Islands Leaders meeting, and this was done in May 2018, which was attended by our own Honorable Prime Minister. Japan now has achieved its commitment to accept 100 participants from 14 Pacific Island countries from 2016 to 2018 under this program, which includes 28 Fijians. In 2016, for the first batch, there were a total of 39 recipients, of which 10 were our fellow Fijians. The second batch in 2017, there were 41 recipients, of which 16 were from Fiji. During the 3rd batch, ladies and gentlemen, in 2018, a total of 20 recipients is now, and we have 2 of them. The 2 recipients, as mentioned, are Andy Arrieta from the Ministry of Health and Medical Services and Ms. Laisa from the Ministry of Waterways and Environment. I am pleased to say that the 2 recipients from the first batch in 2016 who have graduated are also part of this stand-up reception, and I believe we'll be hearing the experiences later on. So, ladies and gentlemen, the Pacific Leads program has continued to broaden new horizons for empowerment in a wide range of expertise and knowledge that adds value to the specialized areas of development. It is a unique program aimed at providing once-in-a-lifetime opportunities for our young government officials of the Pacific Island countries to obtain master's degrees from Japanese universities, and also gives them a chance to experience work during internship in Japan. The Pacific Leads program aims to foster young leaders to play a vital and a very critical role towards the resolution of development challenges in the Pacific region as a whole, as well as further strengthen the relationship between our 2 countries, Fiji and Japan, and the other Pacific Island countries. Indeed, Japan has been a long trusted friend of Fiji, and our bilateral ties have expanded opportunities in the development areas of education, agriculture, infrastructure, health, economy, and beyond. We deeply appreciate the wonderful support given by the Japanese Embassy and the people of Japan, and I'm confident that our bonding will continue to strengthen through time, through our mutual collaboration and understanding. On that note, I would like to express my sincere appreciation, Your Excellency, for your great leadership and support to Fiji. I'd also like to request Your Excellency, you to please deliver our sincere appreciation to the government and the people of Japan for the unwavering support to Fiji and the Pacific to excel in the development of the small island states. I'd also like to convey to the recipients of the Pacific Leads Program my hearty congratulations and best wishes. We are sending you off on a mission, and I'm sure you will make us proud. Make the most of this opportunity provided and come back with the knowledge that will enable you to enhance the developments in your respective countries. While there, I'd like to encourage you to embrace the Japanese culture and share the knowledge of your own cultural significance as well. This is indeed a new and a wonderful journey in your lives, and I wish you God's richest blessings for your prosperity and success. With these words, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you a pleasant afternoon. Thank you.